Oh shit, my fault, bro.
You said we uncut.
Oh, my fault.
You good, though. You good.
Shit out there. I was like, shit, goddamn.
You right, though.
Can I say something though?
Hey, look.
Hold on.
Like you said, the difference between black people and niggas, white people.
Crackers. There we go.
There we go.
Go ahead.
We know the difference.
Yeah.
You know the difference.
Okay, but at the same time, let's say this, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, they made the word nigga, you know what I mean, to basically, you know what I mean, degrade us and shit like that. But at the same time, we didn't make up the word cracker. Rich white folk were calling basically trailer trash white people crackers. They made up both of them.
We just use what they use.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, all that come from way back when, you feel me? We didn't start.
Hello?
What?
Grab my phone.
Say what?
Alright. I was just thinking where you at.
Simpler, bro.
What?
When you going to the house?
Oh.
You talking about hand your phone?
Alright, I'm stupid.
You can't record.
What the fuck?
The podcast.
Get your ass out.
Hold on.
I knew I heard some fucking whispering. I'm like, what the fuck is the damn mouse on there? This nigga on the
He
phone.
was trying to say something. Nice ass.
I didn't know he was on the phone. I got headphones on. Like, I just hear like whispering. Like,
Oh yeah. You gotta take one off so you can hear it.
Shit, that's honestly, dog. That's bottom line with that shit. Though, man, them motherfuckers just crackers and they do this shit.
Yeah.
But they shit, they like I say, they own people who want to get in that name. Shit.
Exactly.
oh man.
They would have changed some shit. Y'all moved to the hood.
Yeah,
Shit.
you know what I'm saying?
And trust me, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Gun turret.
Hey, turn the door knob when you pull it in. And then just pull it
All
in.
right.
I would say, damn, that's how you that bitch back.
Well, you locked us in this motherfucker.
Don't say that.
You never close the door quiet
I
at your
gotta get
house.
home, nigga.
You gotta twist it and pull it all the way in. There you go.
Oh man, turbo, man.
Oh, man.
Nah, what I was saying though, Oh yeah, Trey, what you want to say?
Being mixed, it's like we ain't either we too black or too white. You know what I'm saying? We never like get like, come on, man, like tighten up.
Wait, what you mean?
I'm saying though, like we either not too like we too white for the black community or we too white black for the white community. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, but that's exactly how it be though. I guess it just be light skinned people in general.
That's
how it
another-
be.
I feel like I'm not accepted fully by either race. You know what I'm saying?
Topic.
I might not accept it. Like
That's another-
I feel like out of place
Well, if you-
sometimes.
That's how every race feel if you ain't white.
Well, I'm finna still off on some money.
Hey, listen, that's how you gotta think though, bro. You feel like that for your own reasons, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You feel like that for your own reasons, but that's
say
how
that.
every race feel if they ain't the white race, bro. The
is
white
it?
race, the only race that feel dominant to every other race, dog. Any other Spanish people, they've got their reason why they feel like outcasts. Black people can feel like they outcasts. Mixed people feel like they outcasts.
Yeah.
If you ain't
I don't
white,
feel like I'm respected.
Yeah.
Big boy and
I'm gonna
Andre
let
feel
y'all
like
know what's up. I ain't
Yeah, exactly.
shit crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, solid.
But shit,
Honestly,
that's just the way it is, dog.
yeah.
Things that
But hey,
Yeah.
well,
Tupac was right when he said
I feel
Damn
like
right it was.
feel like
He low key still alive though.
that man is dead ain't good.
Yeah, man. I seen a picture of him as an Indian dude. I seen a picture of him as a janitor. He out there, bro. He just
Wait, who
such
you
a
talking
rebel.
about?
Yeah,
Indian
bro.
dude.
He out there, bro.
Everybody got a twin.
What are you talking
I
about?
seen that on. I seen that on.
You know how y'all twins?
Yeah.
You got another twin, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I
So
seen
what?
that on TV. They say
I know what you're talking
it's
about.
always one person that look exactly like you in the
I
photo.
forgot what it's called. I don't know how to
Now
pronounce it.
tell y'all know PJ. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all a picture now.
Hey, we got a turbo twin, I think.
I got a picture. I'm gonna show y'all a picture now. Now
You got that same picture?
tell me if y'all. That ain't PJ right now?
Bro, that's P, bro. That is P.
That ain't PJ right now?
That like just like that.
Come on, that ain't P.
You serious?
That ain't PJ. I swear that ain't PJ, but look at that forehead. But P forehead ain't that big.
That's the only thing.
I'm telling you. That twin. Look just like PJ head, bro.
Let me see
Come on,
who
man.
is it. Oh my god.
Who is that?
I don't know. I seen a random picture on Twitter, bro.
That nigga got a squat ass head.
Bro, he look just like
God.
You showed me that shit.
Yeah. He was sharp.
That nigga got
I
a
was
squat
gonna say he
head.
probably said no, but I guess when you know.
Yes, bro. That's P.
Bro, people used to try me and said that Jaleel Okafor
They
look
got a
like
bald
me.
head right there.
He do know.
No, he.
When you had your when you had your hair up,
People used to try me and say Jaleel Okafor look like
bro.
me.
Yes,
You had your hair.
dude.
No.
Yes,
You had your hair.
I know I'm laughing.
He
Like,
look nothing like
Hey,
that.
look.
You see the thumbnail
He
on
don't.
Markeith Morris?
Look at a straight face picture. He
man.
don't.
Yeah.
Just now.
What are you talking about?
How the Thunder got Marquise Moore. You gotta throw that in, man. That's important.
Yeah.
He said random things.
shout out to them Gators. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Smart life.
Marquise
The
Morris.
Buddha LSU. You already know.
Give Marquise Morris a round of applause.
Bro, have y'all seen the AAF?
Oh, yeah.
Signed, I
16
guess.
Spurs out there balling.
Traded.
Yeah, I was out there.
We got
I ain't know
signed.
Mark Bishop was playing.
We got signed to our
Yeah.
He was fucking the Steve
Yeah.
Spurs still got that offensive mind.
I know.
Marvin Burst.
He got hurt first game.
I like the Rockets. That's my team.
He ain't make it, bro.
That nigga who got whacked and his helmet came on.
That's why I like to watch that shit
Right.
there.
That shit.
Okay, look.
Ain't call no flag and nothing.
That's the end of the show. We going too goddamn far.
Oh, no, man, what up?
That's it.
Oh.
This nigga
He
all
said
off
that's
beat.
it.
Luke Logic Podcast.
We got you.